Welcome back. Now on the course content side of your course, you're going to see within the course creation area that you have two ways to deliver your content. One is instant and the other is dripped. Now obviously instant, if you click there, that basically means that when the student logs into the course, they'll instantly have access to all of the modules at one time. Now another way that you can deliver the course content is to have that course content dripped. And to do that, you're going to go to the right side, you're going to click in this area. Once you do that, you're going to see 4 customizations. For example, you can edit the time period, and you can determine to drip either a module or a lesson every specific time interval, day, week, month, or year. Or you can leave it at the default setting. You can also deliver your course content and customize the day of the month. So for example, you can drip out a specific lesson or module on a specific day of the month, every single month, or you can leave the default setting. You can also customize a specific calendar date. So you can drip out a specific module or lesson on specific dates. And finally, you can deliver content after a trial or rebuild. So for example, you can drip out a module or a lesson after a specific rebuild or after specific rebuilds with your customers within the product. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.